Hey guys, Bobby J with Bars Leaks on an absolutely gorgeous 65-degree spring Michigan day. We finally got it. It's here. And I am outside. This is not a green screen or anything like that. It's a real gazebo. So the warmer weather today got me thinking about the calls that we get from people, especially around this time of year when the projects start again. Okay, we're starting to get these cars out. Maybe we're working on an old project or we're firing up a new one, and people want to know about preventative measures. So the one thing when they call us and they ask us how they can, treat that cooling system and maybe handle any future problems, we always recommend our radiator stop leak tablets. These things are amazing whether you're dealing with an active leak or we're looking for that preventative measure. These are the same tablets that are installed on the factory assembly line. These have been installed in cooling systems since the 50s. So these provide the ultimate protection in a preventative measure for anything that may happen down the line. Matter of fact, I've actually used these in a resto project that me and my dad were working on an old CJ5. We bought a new radiator for the Jeep, and absolutely treated it with these. Once we put it in, we ran these through just to give us that little extra protection. Now, if you run a shop or you deal with large quantities of radiators, those same tablets are also available in a 100 count size for you, so you don't have to keep buying the 6-pack. So guys, whether it's the 100 count or the 6-pack, we got your back for an active leak or preventative measures. And if we could be of any assistance with anything else that you're working on, let us know. Our customer service team is available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern, and they can be reached at 1-800-345-6572. Guys, we will be out there rolling again soon, I promise. For right now, let's just do the best we can, okay? We'll talk to you soon, guys. Be well.